Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to reset Visual Studio Code to default settings or VS Code revert or restore to default settings. So for you to be able to proceed, you'll just need to launch Visual Studio Code first, and then right after, just head here onto the bottom left corner of the screen. Click onto this gear icon and then click onto settings. Here under settings, onto the upper right corner of the screen, you could see this icon. So this will open the settings of your Visual Studio Code as a JSON file. So if you click onto that, you should see something like this. So to go ahead and reset Visual Studio Code or revert to default settings, you'll just have to remove everything that is in here. So you'll just need to remove this, and you'll just need to go ahead and leave these two things in here. So it should look something like this. So you'll just need to click save so that it should go ahead and reset your Visual Studio Code, or there is another way for you to be able to head onto this specific file. Just head here onto the upper part, and then you'll just need to go ahead and type in this line in here, open settings, and then you should be able to find in specific option, which is preferences, open user settings, which is a JSON file. So if you click onto that, it should go ahead and open the same thing just like this. That is just basically it on how you reset Visual Studio Code to default settings. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.